Everybody loves to hear that they have performed a job well done, and we're no exception. Our goal is to give every customer 5-star service, and it usually results in our customers sharing their experience with the world. Take a look at what one of our customers said about us. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So, if you're looking for the best customer service backed by years of experience, then we are the right fit for you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.